first bike ride. Tracy, look! Woo!
You are doing it.
How's it feel to ride the bike?
Good.
Oh my gosh, that is great. What was your secret today?
Go on the harder instead of the soft.
Yeah?
And go as fast as you can. And so you don't go slow. And if you go slow, I forgot what happens if you go slow. You fall.
Cool. This is starting. On her new felt cruiser bike, one of the nicest bikes we've ever seen. She's just in full command of that. And she will do her first ride with her daughter. Ladies and gentlemen, it's the mother-daughter ride. Doot, 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 doot. Okay, here's kid showing her turns. In just about 20 minutes of practice, she can already do wonderful turns. Can you turn the other way too? Let's see. Just watch out for Tracy. She's not totally comfortable with her bike yet. Wow. Woo! Get the frisbee. Good girl, good girl. Nice form, Stu.